Hey people, so I've been asked whether is there any certain technique to increase subscribers, which honestly it is something that I desperately need to know myself. But it's been my observation that people tend to gravitate towards videos that teach them something, and um, yeah, because most many YouTubers are very, including me, are very narcissistic. I mean, we like the camera on us, and then we are like going on jabbering away. But videos that teach you something are more likely to get a lot of subscribers, or even like I feel as a viewer, like I mean, you should have that connect with that YouTuber. You should want to listen to them, and there's this particular show on Netflix called 100 Humans, where it was seen that we tend to start liking a certain face if we see it often enough. That's what. So I think a lot of videos also kind of, like, a person after a point can begin to grow on you. Like you, like it is for music also. Like certain songs, you hear it many times, then you start liking it. So yeah, so these are two tips that I can think of, and this was specifically asked by the sweet gentleman who each his every video gets around 900,000 views, and he's just set up his channel 2 months, 3 months ago, I think, and it's called Aapke Ghar Ka Cooking, Aapke Ghar Ka Kitchen, yeah, and it is an amazing channel to follow. So since he had specifically asked me for this video, I felt I should make it. And of course, now slowly I'm learning that we have to even there's this whole the aspect of grooming and looking your best that really counts, because YouTube is a visual medium. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. And yes, any video should not go on endlessly, then the viewer loses interest, right? So make it short and sweet and simple. This is already crossed 2 minutes. So yeah, I'll catch you all in some other video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.